Remove these two screws. I warn you that the disassembly of this fuser unit is not easy. The guys of OKI made all they could to make difficult taking apart this unit. Here there is a screw. Remove it. Remove the lever. Remove the other screw on the other side. Remove the other lever. Remove the two screws on the upper side of the unit. Now you can pull out the cover of the fuser unit. Remove the two screws on the metal part. Remove the screw. Move the cable. Detach the two connectors of the two heater lamps. Remove the two heater lamps. OKI uses two lamps because, in theory, the heat is more uniform. Remove the bracket. Remove the gear. Remove the bushing. Remove the other gear. Remove this gear. Remove the screw. Move the cable. This is the thermostat. It determines when to turn on and off the heater lamps. It could be dirty, so clean it. This is the thermistor. It controls the heat inside the fuser unit. Detach this connector. You can remove these two tabs so you don't lose them. Lift up the fuser roller and remove the metal ring. Remove the bushing. Remove the other bushing on the other side. Pull the fuser roller inside the fuser unit for a few centimeters. Remove the bushing of the roller. Lift the assembly of the fuser roller. Remove the other bushing. This is the plastic support of the fuser unit. Slide the fuser roller out of the fuser unit. We are almost near the end. Gently move the metal panel. Remove the metal plate. And remove the metal rod. Remove the side panel of the fuser roller sleeve. Remove the fuser sleeve. Inside the fuser sleeve there is a roller. To reassemble the fuser unit, reinstall the roller and the fuser sleeve. Reinstall the side metal panels. Insert the metal rod and the metal panel. Insert the heater roller. Install the two bushings. Don't forget the two tabs. Reinstall the bushings and the metal ring of the heater roller. Use the video as a reference for the reassembly. Reinstall the thermistor with its screw. Insert the connector. This gear has a tab. Insert the fuser roller gear. Insert the other gear. Reinstall the metal rings of the fuser roller, one each side, and the bracket of the other gear. Insert the two heater lamps. Install the metal plates and the two connectors of the two lamps. Insert the two screws. This is the thermostat with its cables and screws. Install the two screws. Insert the two levers and their screws. insert the two screws. The work is done.